To understand how Google Ad works, it is also important to understand how Google search works. So, Google always map the pages to create something called index. So, if you're looking for something more specific, this is where Google algorithm takes a place. First, they try to understand what are you looking for. Then they shift through the similar details in index and automatically organizes the pages which have most relevant information up to top to choose from. What comes under the first page? Well, there are many things which comes under this like page title, image caption, location, etc. Pages published more recently often have accurate information, so they are more likely to come up first. Well, how Google Ads will help you to promote your videos. So, if you are promoting something through Google Ads, your ad will come first in the category, and you can be more specific here, like from choosing location to selecting specific interest audience. I'm in the Google Ads campaign section, and here as you can see there are like a few campaigns which I have already run. In one campaign I've got like 1526 views for 250 rupees, and for 500 rupees I got like 2304 views. On the other hand, if you will see, there is one more campaign for 200. I got like 850 views. So the reason why I am not allowing you to make a promotion through YouTube Studio is because there you will get 1 rupees 1 view will be there. Now we will move on to create a new campaign, and I'll let you know how you need to do all the things. So we have to click on create a new campaign, and you have to select create a campaign without goals and guidance. Then you have to click on video, then you have to click on custom video campaign and then continue. So your interface will look like this. You can set a custom campaign name and you can edit it. In the bidding strategy you have to keep it to maximum CPV, and you have to set your budget for the campaign. For this campaign I'm setting the budget to 200 rupees, and the start and end date at least should have like a difference of 4 to 5 days, so you'll get more exposure if you keep the date limited. And you can still decide later like whether you want to keep it for a longer period of time or for a shorter period of time, but I'll suggest you to keep it as medium as possible, not too short, not too long. So leave the networks to the same. You can select a specific location for your advertisement. I'll suggest you to keep locations to India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or any other small countries like South Africa, because here the ad campaign will run. If you're running these campaigns in these countries, your bid, like the price for the ad, will be less than the other countries like USA, UK. In these two countries the ad, like whatever the amount like you're spending on the ad is like more than as comparing to other countries. So here like you have to choose a language. My most of the videos are in English, but I'm also selecting Hindi here because most of the people in India can understand English. And in inventory type you have to select standard inventory. You can also experiment a lot with like limited inventory and expanded inventory, but it depends on like what content you are showcasing. And just below the inventory type you will get an option of excluded types and labels. Here you have to select embedded YouTube videos and live streaming videos. You have to click those two options and disable the content not yet labeled option. Then we'll move on to additional settings. In additional settings you can set specific targeted devices. So here if you will select computers and TV screens, like most of the people are using their mobile phones or tablets, and like after that computers comes up, you can select only these three options like tablets, mobiles and computers, so you won't need to pay a lot to the ads. If you will select mobile phones and tablets, you will be able to get a minimum price amount like you can spend on the ad. You can also select operating system of the mobile phone, or maybe like devices models on which mobile phone you want to place the ad to, but I will not suggest you to go more deeper in it, because the deeper you'll go, the more the price for that you need to pay. So frequency of capping. In this section you can create on cap impression frequency, where you can select you can set an impression cap over there. So if you are setting a number of caps there, so that person will only get one ad at one time, like he will not see your ad again and again, because if the person is not interested in your ad, he will not come back again even after looking at it after some time. So it's okay, so just leave the space blank and just move on. In the demographic you can go more specific and more detailed here. So let's say if you're making um, a video on how to make a resume, and in this section you can untick the marks like unknown, or like plus 65 age of people, or like age group of 45 and 54, or like 55 to 64, because they don't need this content, and like they will not even see this because it is not relevant to them. So better you should choose age in between like 18 to 24, 25 to 34, something like this, like who are the people like gonna go to the job and like search for this content. It depends like what your content is about. So here I have like already unticked like three or four options, because I wanted to be more specific for my video. In this section in audience you can go and search for specific terms of your content, like a resume. So if somebody is searching for that content over there, like the person will be able to see those. The more the deeper you'll go, the more price you have to pay for your views. So I'll suggest you to not select those options, just skip the specific content. Just keep a normal ad in front of people, so people will automatically come to your video if they're interested into the topic. In the keyword sections you'll get best keyword based on the ranking of the keywords, like you just need to search from the topic like what your video is about, and you will get a certain keywords. You can add those keywords. These keywords will help your video to get ranked more up. If you want to place your ad in front of any specific video or any specific YouTube channel, you can also do it by searching it over here. So let's say if I'm searching for how to make a resume, and you'll be able to place your content nearby to their videos, like. But I don't believe in placing all these things over there, because you'll get a very less views on your subject and you will not be satisfied. So I'll suggest you to just skip and don't place your videos in front of any other videos, rather than just keep it normal. So here comes the main part, like you have to copy paste your YouTube video here. You just have to copy your link of the video and just paste it. Okay. uh, Here you have to click on video discovery ad, and you have to set a bidding strategies. So this is the main part of the advertisement, and making it customized. If you will see, I'll start it from the minimum amount. I'll like 5 paise. According to your bidding strategy, the amount will get increased or decreased. So the more the specific you'll go with the topics, the more the amount you have to pay. But if you want to keep it normal, the more the normal it will be, you'll get more views for your content. So I'll try to increase the bid a little bit more, so I'll keep 10 paise for it. But as you can see, I am not able to get more views on it. So the reason why this is not accepting my bidding, because if you will go up and see, I have selected in audiences. Like if I'll change a little bit into the settings, you will be able to see how far I can go. And if I'll change the bidding to 15 paise, so let's have a look on it how much we can get. So it's better like to keep a minimum amount. So the more I am increasing the bidding amount, the impressions are increasing, but the views are getting minimum. So it's better to keep it in between of the amount. In this section, you need to be more, versatile. It also depends on your topic, on what topic you are making the video. If it's on like social media, like people are like more interested to get to know like more tricks over there, and like people are like more interested to get to know about it. If the topic is like more trending, most probably you are gonna get a lot of views. You really need to be versatile with the budget. You can always explore things, try to keep it as minimum as possible. You have to explore it more, so the more you'll explore it, the more you'll get to know about it. So the next thing what we have to do is we'll create a headline, and like we have to type the topic name there. So I'll type how to make a professional CV, and in the description 1 and the description 2 you have to make a small line. You have to write a line about your topic. Then you need to continue with the process, and then you have to continue to the campaign and hit on continue campaign. So as you can see, we have successfully created a new campaign which will get you a lot of views and make you famous. If you're not getting any views for your campaign and you're not satisfied with the impressions, all you have to do is increase the value of your campaign, like increase the value of bidding. So you can do it right from here, or you just have to double click on the option, and then you can increase the amount and save the option there, and that's it, you're all done. I hope you have liked this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.